All right, guys, we're back on the 65 Beetle restoration today. Today, we're gonna do the other driver's side engine tray and bumper bracket. We did the passenger side the other day. Let's get the driver's side done. All right, let's do it. There's probably one in there, but that's all rusted out, so this thing's probably gonna come right off. Woo! There it is. Wonder if those are drain holes. All right. Nice. Should have lubed it up from the backside. Probably would have helped a little bit, but it came out. Fender bolt there. All right. All right, all right, all right. All right. There is the old bumper bracket. It's looking better. Custom CT Customs. Hey, it worked. All right. Weld through primer makes it a little harder. All right, that turned out pretty good. A couple little spots to fill in, but I'm gonna clean that weld up just a little bit. It's looking pretty good. Not bad for a patch. Normally, if you were gonna do a really nice restoration, you would buy all new parts for back here. But we're saving the patina. We're trying to save as much as the original metal as possible. So we're just doing a little patch here. So it makes it a little more difficult. If you had a new piece, everything would kind of fit together and look a little nicer. But it came out pretty good. The other side came out pretty good. I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead and get the bumper bracket on there and weld it on. All right, we gotta drill a few here and clean all the paint off of it. We'll be ready to go. Oh yeah. All right, that's looking good. I need to shave some more off that bottom. The slip right here is hitting. All right, guys, let's do it. Oh, there's one more right here. Okay. Check it out. It's looking pretty good. All right, that's the hardest part. It's getting all that back piece on. All right, guys, we're gonna get this cleaned up and get the shelf put in. It's gonna look like that. Let's do it. There's this little lip right here. Gotta cut just a little bit of that lip off. It gets in the way of that luggage tray area. There we go. Okay. We're gonna have to put some holes here. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe. 1, 2. We'll put a couple in there. Between here and here. Yeah. That's good. All right, cool. Let's get this thing lined up and get it tacked in. Put some weld-through primer on the back of these and clean this up a little bit. All right, guys, check it out. We got both bumper brackets and both engine trays complete. Not bad. That's pretty exciting. They're not perfect, but they'll be fine. These are hidden under the fenders, so you won't see these. We'll clean this up real good. We'll fill in any holes. We'll put seam sealer where we need to, if anything. Seam sealer will probably go inside here to make sure no water or fumes get through. We're gonna clean that one up a little bit more, but all the welds are in. And I think it turned out pretty good. I don't think it's perfect, but I think it'll be fine. And that's pretty exciting. That's real exciting. Because those bumper brackets and the metal behind it were in really bad shape. And those engine trays were in really bad shape. So we can get the seal that we need to get to help protect the engine. Because there's a seal that goes, a rubber seal that goes in those tracks all the way around and all the way up this way. And it helps the air circulation and everything, and obviously moisture and fumes and stuff as well. So that's exciting. Very exciting. All right, guys. There's probably not going to be a lot more or many more metalwork videos. I basically have everything done. I just have to go back and clean up some spots here and there. But everything you guys have seen of any significance, you've seen it. The heater channels, the rear and the front and rear quarters, the luggage tray, the cross members. I mean, the A pillars, the B pillars. All this stuff I have to go back and clean up with the DA, get the surface rust off of it, hit it with some OSFO, knock it back down again, get all the paint off, all the protective paint that's on the luggage tray, get all that off. And we're gonna do the best we can. It's not gonna be perfect. This is not, doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna do the best we can. It's gonna be way better than it was, and it'll probably last for a long time because, you know, that's the thing a lot of guys don't realize. And I've talked to Mike F about this and Darren and a few other people. These cars aren't going to be daily drivers for the most part. A lot of them are going to be in garages and only taken out on the weekend and maybe for a car show here and there. I'm going to try to drive it as much as possible, but they're not daily drivers. Mine's going to stay in the garage most of the time. It's going to get wet every once in a while, but as long as you do everything you can to protect the metal, seam seal everything, it's probably going to be pretty good. Probably going to be better than factory in some areas. But if you guys remember what this thing looked like, I don't know, what's it been, 8-9 months now? I think I pulled this thing into the shop, pulled it out of the South Georgia field and brought it down to Florida and started tearing it apart. Yeah, it was pretty bad. I'm excited because I'm going to spend the next couple of weeks just getting all that detail work done. I'll capture some of it on video, but most of it's going to I'm just going to get out here and work. You know, I'll get some video of taking all that paint off and doing the primer and filling in a couple spots here and there, but that's basically it, guys. I mean, it's not it, but as far as the major metal work is complete. Believe it or not. That's pretty wild. And now that I've done it and I've experienced it all, I feel like the next one could go twice as fast, maybe even faster. So, learning on this one. Still got a lot to learn. We still got to get the windows in and get the primer on the bottom wherever we did metal work and put a coat of paint on there. Get the windows in and drive this baby. It's exciting. It's pretty cool. I really enjoy it. And I hope you guys enjoy the videos. And if you do, hit that like, subscribe. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the like. I really appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Later.